Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here, this is strong bias. So after this candle, I will place put option. Because it's ranging market, I will place put option after this candle. This is the continuation candle. If I get higher, that here is not going higher. Yes, this is not rejection area, but from here, this is a strong level. Here a strong level, bias area here. This is bias area. You can see rejection. But market made new low, and you see gap down. So if market go up, yes, I place my trade put option. I place put option at this level because I know definitely market will reach this level at least. This is the target area. Here is the target area of this trend. Yes, this trend, this is the target area of the trend. See rejection from the round number. See strong sellers entry. Let's see. Let's see winning trade. I'll place put option. Yes, I place put option here because next level is here and the momentum of the market is down, and this is the next target area, bias area here. So I know definitely sellers must enter. Sellers will reach this level, and the overall trend is down, and this is strong candle. So I know definitely you see strong buyers, sellers, I mean. That's why I place my trade put option on the direction of momentum. Yes, you see very strong momentum. This is strong momentum. So if market rejected from this level, I will place put option again. Up, up. I will place put option anyway. Yes, I place put option even though here is the sellers bias area. Because of this momentum, I know definitely sellers will enter before market reverse, at least to this round number. Then market will reverse, or it will create one more red candle. You see, I know definitely it will create one more red candle. You see here, very strong candle, no rejection, and this is the strong momentum. So I know definitely it will give me winning trade. So maybe now buyers will enter. So if you see market with momentum, even if there is buyers area or sellers area, market will break the level. After then, market will reverse. If you see strong candle, market close at the level with strong candle, so you should expect continuation of the momentum. So this is the end of this video. I took total 3 trades in the momentum direction. Let me show you momentum here. You see the momentum here as well. You see, sorry, here the momentum, and you can see the movement of the market here. You see market move like this, and here because of increase of the momentum, this here, this is the channel. Market buyers couldn't reach this level. When you see, let me explain very well. You see here, then you see here, yes, then you see this area. So you see market movement off, down, off, down, up, down. So before market reaches this level, then it reverse. But when market reverse, if you see strong green candle, so market is trying to break this level. But now market creates bearish candle in the middle of this after engulfing. If you see this engulfing unfolded, so market will break the level. Then market creates weak green red candle on the middle, then it go up. Then before it reaches this level, then market comes down strongly with momentum. So you should expect breakout of this level. So that's why I follow this momentum. I took my trade here. Then the next trade I think is this candle, then this candle. So let me explain the next trade. Here you see the next trade. Sorry. You see the next trade here. I place my trade put option in the direction of the momentum. It's the same scenario, and the next level I was expecting buyers are here. Sorry, I was expecting buyers here. You see, so but sellers come strongly, even though this candle closed at the buyers area, because there is no rejection of sellers, no sign of sellers or buyers. Sorry, even though this is the buyers, strong buyers area, so on this red candle, no sign of buyers, no rejection. So that's why I go with momentum. And I have, as I was telling you, this is the channel here, then here as well, you see. Then if you draw like this, you can see another channel somewhere here. Market break this channel again, then break this one. You see, that's why market is going up. Here is like double top. You see the movement here, you see, and here you can see this type of market like this. Then market again create the same pattern, then comes strongly down. So that's why I place my trade in the direction of momentum. So here you see here the last trade here, I place my trade put option after market close at this buyers area, but strongly without rejection. So if you see no rejection, there's no sign of buyers at this level. That's why I follow momentum, and you can see it's very, very strong downtrend. You see 200, 100, 50, 20, and all Bollinger squeeze. This one is pointing up. After a squeeze, pointing down means market is very, very strong. The trend, the momentum is very strong. So that's why I finish my trade within 3 candles because I see this opportunity. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it, share and comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.